then bese kuba ezaseThekwini amaZulu versus iDurban City kuzowina ezikabani ezika-Atazwana. So like overall tournament outlook ama-quarter finals ama-quarter finalist from le draw lesiqeda kuyenza kuzoba i-Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, Stellenbosch, Sekhukhune, Arrows, Richards Bay, amaZulu. Ama-top tier lawo. Then ama-potential upsets kumele ucheck-e iLokhonji, Milford or Uppington if idrawile against i-mid-table PSL teams. Ama-lower tier side now ama-favorites to win iLokhonji the Nedbank Cup this year it's Orlando Pirates. Why? Because in a history yokuwina nje they are cup kings and kwi-form enzima kakhulu. If not Orlando Pirates, it's going to be Mamelodi Sundowns. Why ngithi Mamelodi Sundowns? Because in a squad depth yabo. Or else sengaba Stellenbosch because i-momentum yaso yabo. So this is how we predicted ukuthi izoba kanjani la 16 sa predictor ukuthi obani bazowina, then ke ama quarter finalists awasho ukuthi obani